I'm about to show y'all how to go from 1B to blonde. Let's hop right into the video.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Alright y'all, so I'm about to start on my wig unit. This is a 5x5, and y'all know I like 6x6, but I started wearing 5x5 for some reason. Well, I'm trying a new vendor. So this is my second wig. The curly wig that I usually wear in my YouTube videos is also by the same vendor, but I wanted to try I think this is a straight unit, just to see how the hair texture would feel. And they only do 13x6 and 5x5, I believe. So that's why I went for a 5x5 this time. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like straight out the package. Straight out the package. This is what the lace looks like. And the knots are pretty small. Hold on. This is what the lace looks like. So the first thing that I'm going to do is bleach bath this one, and hopefully it lightens to a good color. I'm going to color this wig to like a blondish color so that I can put the blue over top. And then yeah, so let me start on that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take this BW2 bleach, BW2 bleach, and I want to pour like a lot in this little red bowl that I have right here. I want to try to move the camera angle so y'all can see what I'm doing.
Alright, so first I'm going in and pouring my bleach powder into this red bowl. I did use a lot of the bleach powder. I used probably like 1/3 of whatever was in the bag, just to make sure the wig was like really fully saturated, because I didn't want any, like, you know, blotchy spots or whatever like that. So I just wanted to use as much bleach as I thought I needed. So now I'm pouring this 40 volume developer inside my bowl. I probably use like equal amounts. I think I use equal amounts of bleach and bleach powder and the developer. So now I'm just going in and mixing that developer together. And I got these two big sizes from my local beauty supply store. I forget what it's called, but yeah, the local beauty supply store, they had the big one, so good for me because I'm always using bleach. So I'm just going to mix that the powder and the developer together, and I'm using like one of those hair coloring brushes. Now you can use pretty much whatever, just to mix it together. Just make sure it's plastic. So yeah, I'm mixing those together. Once I got it to a creamy consistency, I'm going to take my wig and I'm going to make sure that all of the hair strands, especially the ends, are dipped in there. So right now I'm going to just dip that in. And as you can see, I'm kind of like pushing the hair into the bleach, making sure every strand is saturated, y'all. Like I'm trying to, I'm trying to make sure every strand is saturated, because if not, you will have spots in your wig. Like some spots will be lighter than others, and I really didn't want that. I kind of wanted an even tone for the color that I'm going for, because I am going to dip color this wig once I'm done bleaching it. So I wanted to make sure the tone was even. As you can see, I'm rubbing it all the way through, and you do have to separate the hairs of the wig, separate like the tracks of the wig, just making sure every little strand is saturated. And as you can see right here, the wig is already starting to turn to like a light brown color, and I'm just making sure right here in this clip that the bleach is all on the knots, because I wanted to bleach the knots as well. And I tried to brush the bleach through the wig, but it was kind of getting like tangled, and I didn't want the hairs to start shredding and stuff. So I actually stopped this. I don't actually recommend you brushing the hair through. Just try to like use your fingers and massage the bleach through instead of using like a brush or a comb to do that. So as you can see in the middle, some of the, like, it was lightening, but the bleach wasn't getting in there. So that's why you see me taking my fingers and like separating the hair in these next few clips, just to make sure the wig is fully saturated. So as y'all can see, that piece right there wasn't really like, the bleach wasn't really getting in there. So I made sure I picked up some bleach and I just put it in that center area. You have to be careful, because sometimes the center takes a longer time to bleach, simply because you're not, when you first dip the wig in there, all of the outer strands are going to get to the bleach first. So you just want to make sure you're getting that middle part too. And y'all, this wig lightens so fast. Just a quick tip: the higher the developer number that you use, it just means the faster that the hair is going to get to the lighter color. It doesn't mean the higher the volume, the lighter the color. It doesn't mean that. It just means it's going to lighten faster than if I was to use a 10 volume or whatever. So right here in this clip, you can see me washing the wig out because it got to that color pretty fast. I promise y'all I did this in like 5 minutes, and this is how my wig turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next.